Okay, so as you can see, I've got the Oculus Quest in front of me. This is a 64 gig model. As you can see here, it says, you'll not be able to pick this up, but it says inside the box, VR headset, 2 touch controllers, AA batteries, power adapter, eyeglass spacer and charging cable. And then the same in other languages. If I flip the box around, some warning information there, read that at your leisure. But all in all, there's not really a lot to read on it. So let's open it up. Just cut a little segment off and hopefully it'll peel nice and easily. There we go. Sorry about the reflection here. Let's see if I can get a nice zip all the way down. So, on the underside, which I didn't actually show you, there is some descriptions. It says all-in-one VR. Oculus Quest has everything you need to explore your VR right out of the box. No PC required. Precision controllers. Oculus Inside tracking and touch controllers. Every move, punch and throw are instantly transferable into VR. Easy setup in any room. Play at home, someplace else. Oculus Quest works with your environment, standing, sitting or in big spaces or small. It continues to give you some more information there, but it's pretty much the usual marketing bump that you would expect. It looks like it slides out, so let's just slide that out of there. And now we'll show the marketing bump to the camera. Maybe we'll pause and boot that if you want. So the box is rather understated with just a like O on it for Oculus. It feels like it lifts up. There we go. And there is our headset. So our headset's there. We have our controllers just underneath by the looks of it. There's actually a little bit more weight in that than I would expect. Oculus logo in the front, and there's your 4 cameras, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. Some adjustable straps on the side. And that's a headphone port there. This is the eye spacing slider, and this is a volume rocker. I'll show you that in a better camera up there. Your volume rocker and your eyepiece. Sorry, your eyepiece adjustment. Front and back cameras. So it says before you start, install the Oculus app. You need the app to set up your headset. Okay, so I'll put the headset down just now, as I'll have to do that on my phone. I'll pick up the controllers, which are inside each other. Wow, there's no weight to these at all. I was actually expecting these to have a bit of a heft to them, but there's not. You see, left and right controllers, got a thumbstick, 2 buttons here. There's a button down the bottom, they're marked right and left. I'm holding them in opposite directions by the looks of it just now. And there's a trigger button at front and one at the side. So we shall try them momentarily. It should be like so. And I'll place them back in here. And then there's a part at the bottom here which says Oculus Quest. And inside this box you have your spacer that it mentioned in the box, a long charging cable, a charging adapter, and I believe the batteries and the manual are inside here. So, I've never done VR before, I've never used VR before, I've never tried anything VR related before. So let's get this charged up, set up, and we'll see how it goes. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.